So, you're really sending the old man in? You know it is the holidays.
He volunteered. Can't stop him when his mind is set on a course.
His wife called 10 times. Did you tell him?
Yes, he knows. But how can you give up an opportunity like this? The first time we have received an emergency beacon from a pilot beyond the thought zone in the spiritual world?
That emergency beacon has been running for 2 weeks. I assume you did not tell Richard.
Of course not. It took me a week to convince him to get out of retirement.
He was only retired for a week and a half. And if I recall, at his retirement party, you said he was a father figure to us all, and that we all loved him, that he was a hero. I even, maybe, saw you shed a tear. But now I see how you really think of him.
Listen, that no arms, holy roller, Jesus freak gimp has never felt a mission for us. He's the only one that can pilot the Black Adder suit.
The suit is over 30 years old. It was custom built for him. It is outdated.
Yes, but it's the best weapon we've ever built. The Sentinel Event 800, we've never been able to duplicate that sound cannon.
Because it is outdated. It uses too much power, emits too much radiation. Most likely, it caused Richard's health to decline even faster.
But it still works.
Barely, inconsistently.
Well, Cook knows that suit inside and out. He knows how to make it work in the field. He is a national treasure, an American hero.
You do realize our company is not part of the American government or affiliated with any country.
That's besides the point. Wait. He is ready. I need to give him one of my famous speeches before he goes into the spiritual world.
Yeah, you better save that speech for Richard's wife if he doesn't come back alive from this search and rescue.